एक हमारे युवा नेता हैं जिन्होंने आज पार्लियामेंट में कुछ बातें रखी. He has a habit of making baseless allegations. There are two kinds of leaders. There are those who assume responsibility in the political system and then dedicate their lives to Samaj Seva, transforming the country. Those leaders who have devoted their lives and ensured that during their lifetime, the country is able to move from the 10th largest economy to the 3rd largest economy. We are the 4th now. Soon we'll be the 3rd largest. And then there are other leaders who occasionally come to the country. Sometimes they're traveling abroad. And when they come to parliament, as one of my colleagues said, पहले तो ये पार्लियामेंट से बाहर हो जाते थे. अगर कोई सब्सटेंटिव रिप्लाई दे रहा तो उसको सुनने नहीं आते थे. यूज्ड टू वॉक आउट. और आज अपनी स्पीच देने के बाद चले गए. You know the leader I'm referring to. Bhaiya, here is a professional. I'm not even part of the government. In the month of November 2014, I was a private citizen. Somebody says they want to look at India. I may have a meeting with Reid Hoffman, who is the founder of LinkedIn, on the west coast of the United States. And I start my email by saying, I am now convinced more than ever that India today presents a terrific opportunity and that Reid Hoffman should visit India to see the changes which are coming. Or another thing I want to tell you, ये जो चीजें मैं बोल रहा हूं, Digital India, Make in India, I'm talking about this in the month of November 2014. If memory serves me right, these projects started in 2015. So here I was a far-sighted private citizen who knows what kind of work the Modi government is going to do and the kind of transformation is it. So if this is what it is, this is what they call Hardip Puri's name appears in the Epstein file. Yeah, name. 2 pages. एक और बताऊं. अरे राहुल बाबा, इसको पढ़ लेते. आपने जब बात की, प्रियंका जी ने बात की, बाकियों ने बात की, मेरा नाम एप्स्टाइन, वो हजारों मेम्स बन गई हैं. वो कह रहे हैं कि वो बड़े जो वर्ल्ड लीडर्स है वो उस लपेट में आ गए और मेरा देश, मेरा भारत महान है और मैं डिजिटल इंडिया की बात कर रहा हूं. सो आई वांट टू थैंक देम कि उन्होंने मेरा नाम लिया. कई इस दुनिया में लोग हैं जो मुझे नहीं जान पाते, बट थैंक्स टू दिस काइंड ऑफ बफूनरी, आई एम गेटिंग अ चांस टू टॉक टू यू ऑल्सो. दीज आर द हार्ड facts.